Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Who doesn't love skincare? We all do, right? So today I'm going to show you all the Ayurvedic based skincare brand, the Ayurvedic Co. Firstly, let's appreciate the good packaging. Usually, Ayurvedic based brands packaging are not so appealing, but the Ayurvedic Co has done really good job at their premium package. So talking about the brand, these are 100% vegan, ISO certified, cruelty free, toxin free, and these are ethically sourced and also these are sustainable. All these products have Kumkumadi in it and we all know how good it is for skincare. So here I have their face wash, face scrub and sunscreen with me. So beginning with the face wash, it contains 7% of Kumkumadi and we all know the importance of cleansing our skin. So this face wash is sulfate and paraben free. Also it's suitable for all skin types. The quantity is 100 ml and also every product is well priced and the pricing of this is 299 rupees. It's recommended to use twice a day and regular use gives a golden glow, healthy and smooth skin and toned and youthful texture. You can see the texture, it has a gold dust in it and also skin feels so hydrated after using this. So moving on to their face scrub, it also contains 7% of Kumkumadi and sulfate and paraben free and this is also suitable for all skin types. Exfoliation is recommended weekly twice. Regular use gives clean and toned pores, healthy and smooth skin and golden glow. Always make sure to patch test to check the sensitivity. So Kumkumadi sunscreen is my favorite product out of these three. So it's really difficult to find a good sunscreen, that too which doesn't leave the white cast. So this does the job perfectly. So this is SPF 50 which is great and this is really moisturizing and very quick absorbing and also this is suitable for all skin types and this priced at rupees 399. So this is my thought and review about TAC, the Ayurvedic Co brand. So I recommend this brand. Also, all the links of the products will be mentioned in the description box. Also, make sure to check their website for amazing offers going on. And this is it for today's. And also for more such videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also give a like and comment below. So see you all soon in the next video. Until then, goodbye.